Have you ever wondered where most Forex traders come from? You might be surprised. Today, we're diving into the top 3 countries with the highest number of Forex traders, and the reasons why are fascinating. Let's get started. Coming in at number 3, we have the United States. With a massive, developed economy and a strong financial regulatory environment, it's no shock that many Americans are drawn to Forex. The US dollar is the world's primary reserve currency, which means it's part of almost every major currency pair. This gives American traders a unique home field advantage. Plus, with access to advanced trading technology and a wealth of educational resources, the US has a solid foundation for its thriving trading community. The culture of entrepreneurship and investment here definitely plays a big role too. Next up, at number 2, is Nigeria. This might be a surprise to some, but it makes perfect sense when you look closer. Nigeria has the largest economy in Africa and a massive, young, and tech-savvy population. With high internet and smartphone penetration, access to the global markets has never been easier for Nigerians. For many, Forex trading offers a powerful opportunity to earn income outside of traditional employment, especially in a country with a dynamic and sometimes challenging economic landscape. The drive to find new financial opportunities is incredibly strong, and the Nigerian trading community is one of the most vibrant and fastest growing in the world. And now, for the number 1 spot. The country with the highest number of Forex traders is China. With its immense population and rapidly growing middle class, millions of Chinese citizens are looking for new ways to invest and grow their wealth. The country's economic boom has created a huge pool of potential investors. While regulations on Forex trading can be complex in China, the sheer scale of the market and the public's keen interest in financial opportunities have propelled it to the top. The rise of mobile trading platforms has also made it incredibly convenient for people across the country to participate in the Forex market. So, there you have it. The United States, Nigeria, and China. 3 very different countries, each with unique reasons for leading the world in Forex trading. It just goes to show that the desire to trade and seek financial opportunity is truly a global phenomenon. What country do you think will be next on this list? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the world of finance. See you next time.